Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video guys, we're talking about sunscreens and I have compiled my 3rd of February sunscreen in 2026, and in this video guys, I'll be giving you guys the reason why I choose this particular 3 sunscreens, and at the end of the day, you make your choice. So first thing first guys, before I will say anything, I want to drop this here. I want us to know the reason why we always insist that you add sunscreen to your daily skincare routine. So number one reason is because it helps to prevent the risk of skin cancer. Okay, and number two is because it prevents premature aging. Number three, it keeps your skin even, like you're not going to have discoloration or having skin that is looking dull, skin that is not really making sense. So it's going to help to make sure that your skin, from your head down to your toe, you are having one particular skin color. So that's what we call even skin tone. And lastly, is going to prevent sunburn. This particular sunburn they always talk about. Sunscreen is going to prevent sunburn, and it's going to reduce dark spots. For the record, these sunscreens are sunscreens that are very, very affordable and they are accessible in any supermarket. Okay, so I cannot just come and start mentioning sunscreen that are for 25,000, 40,000. I'm also a student, so I always try to make sure that I bring out affordable product, a simple product that students can just yeah, save money and just get. So the number one on my list is my all-time favorite, and guys, I've been using this product since 2023. This number one on my list is the Aqua sunscreen. This particular product, one thing you will notice about this particular sunscreen is because of how moisturizing it is, how well it moisturizes your skin, and it lock in moisture. It makes sure that your skin is moisturized 247. It works like Nivea's products because they are there to moisturize the skin 24 hours. That is how this product do its own. Yes, it's good to reapply your product, especially if you are always under the sun. Yes, but this one I'm going to guarantee that it's going to keep your skin moisturized for 24 good hours. It is 100% guaranteed to protect your skin. Yeah, so I'm going to advise you, if you have a very oily skin, that you should try this Aqua sunscreen SPS 50 PA plus 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 plus. Because as an oily skin girly, you don't need something that will break you out. You don't need something that will feel gripsy on your skin. This particular sunscreen has a very sweet, mild fragrance that anyone can tolerate, and it is for sensitive skin type. It is for oily skin type, and after application it does not take much time. It will just absorb deep into your skin. Another thing again, it does not leave white cast. You won't feel your skin feeling gripsy, and it's going to brighten your skin. The Korean skincare product, when after whatever they need to do to their skincare product, they will make sure that it gives you a glass skin effect, even if it's not, excuse me, sorry, even if it's not 100%, it will make sure that it gives you a very smooth, clean glass skin effect. And that is another reason why I love this particular Aqua sunscreen SPS 50. So the second sunscreen that we'll be talking about today is the Nivea sunscreen. Guys, when I saw this sunscreen online, I was like, woo, Nivea is really doing great things for us that don't have money to buy super expensive sunscreen. There have not been any negative reaction or negative reviews about this particular Nivea sunscreen. So it is kind of affordable for 13,000 naira, and some places you can get it for 12,000 something, 14,000 naira. But it's very good for protection of your skin. It comes in a 140 grams pump bottle, and it won't give you white scars. It is amazing for all skin type, and it does not stink the eye. So if you're looking for lightweight, non-greasy sunscreen to try in 2026, then I will recommend the Nivea sunscreen for you, because it is amazing for brightening, is amazing to reduce dark spots, and it is amazing for protection. My top 3 sunscreen here, and number 3 on the list is the biore sunscreen. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, but this is not an English word, so I pronounce mine as biore UV sunscreen SPS 50 PA plus plus. So sunscreen, like I said, is very, very important on your skincare routine, and the biore UV sunscreen is a great start when you want to improve your skincare game and when you want to reach top notch in your skincare routine. So this helps to brighten your skin so well. So this particular sunscreen is amazing for all skin types. It does not leave white cast on your skin after application, and it has a very watery texture that absorbs deep into the skin so fast, and it does not break you out. So guys, these are my top three sunscreens that I know that they're not going to make your skin dark, they're not going to darken your skin, they're not going to leave your skin feeling greasy, and they're not going to leave white cast on your skin. Rather, they're going to protect your skin against sunburn, and they're going to help to make sure that you don't have premature aging, and they are going to reduce dark spots. So if you find this video helpful, please help me to like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video. And guys, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.